I've had a bit of a crappy couple of weeks, so bad news first, then good news. Bad news, I had tonsillitis and the flu for about 3 weeks. Done 80s night. I think we raised over 200 quid, so that went alright. Trapped a nerve on Saturday night in my lower back hip. So that's the bad news. And then, I don't know, it's probably no well known. It's no well known. I was bankrupt about 2.5 years ago. 3 years ago. 2.5 years ago. And so I stuck with my bankruptcy bank account just to keep me on this steady level, but I've been non-bankrupt within the first year, so I had a really good bankruptcy. I didn't owe that even that much. I shouldn't have went bankrupt, but that's the moral of the story for me, is I shouldn't have went bankrupt. And I've basically been trying to get off my Sky, which is £60 a month. And so they basically tell me I pay all my bills direct debit every month, and there's no been any bills missed for the last year anyway, but it's no restoring my credit because I'm keeping a bankruptcy bank account. So the moral of the story is, unless you're really, really toiling and you need to go bankrupt. But I've been refused by RBS for a normal bank account today, and even though it's RBS bankruptcy bank account, I'm way think money, and they're great, but they're no restoring my credit. I'm paying all these direct debits, gas, electricity, Sky, everything, and it's no restoring my credit, so I'm a bit mad. And obviously, with being at college and that, I need to sort of I like it. It's nice. I work hard when I'm at college. I do a lot of hard work. I do a lot of grafting. And I've got a talent. I'm a songwriter. I can sing. I'm a songwriter, and I just feel like I'm going to get nowhere with bank accounts. So I'm going to keep trying. It's basically just to get even a wee standard overdraft. It's not much to ask for, is it really? And I'm paying 60 quid a month for Sky, and I'm paying it. So obviously I would like to be just paying £30 a month for broadband, phone and telly, and like there is people out there. I was not back for Virgin Media, I've been not back for EE. I think I could get BT, but I have to pay £50 activation fee, which I've not got at the moment. But good news, here's the good news. I've got 2 auditions for the next place up in the course. So I've got it's MPA or NC, maybe acting and performance. That's it'll be sometime in May, I think. And I've got musical theatre next week. Audition for a BTEC in musical theatre. So to prove that I can actually sing and I have got some kind of talent, this is Songbird by Eva Cassidy, and there's an ambulance going by the door, so that's great. But here we go. This is Eva Cassidy's Songbird. Just to cheer myself up. Still got the pain in my back, sorry guys. For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score, and I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. I know it's right, and the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before, like never before, like never before. And so, hopefully I'll get a bank account in the next couple of weeks, and then I can be away off to Barcelona in June after college is finished. Toodaloo, guys! Wish me luck for my back to. Bye!